welcome back to Roger96. So today we'll play Minecraft and this is the today. So the reason I have grass is forgot what just did I just took off some grass here. Yeah, I just took off. I just took off grass here, so I don't know why, but I will do that. I will do that later. So the reason why I got all of this right there is that I forgot when it would start the hurricane, but I forgot when it starts. But the hurricanes, I forgot what hurricane starts. So whatever starts at that's why I just put this. And my house has got wood on it. You'll see guys, so you can see. And okay, so reason why, so this is I got my horse thing right here blocked. You horses, escape now, escape. Okay, I just got water for him. Beat the, wait, this is not right. I thought that something's messed up. Okay. And I got chests. Why just villagers here? Okay, probably this villager can take care of this. Got cookies, arrows, kidney shells. Why does villager left? Okay, at least none people take care of it. So I think my villagers is fine with this. I hope my beautiful tree doesn't get crashing. This is so much. My other tree didn't grow yet. So tomorrow I just so reason why I just posting this on Thursday night. It just says tomorrow. My mom said that tomorrow we will go to my uncle's house in the morning. So in the morning I won't have enough time to post a video, and that's why I posted on Thursday. It's really serious. I hope you guys just be careful. Gosh, no. Oh gosh, no, Dika. Come on, I need to put something which is for gold. Here's the time it has water. Okay. So guys, wait. So the hurricane will come. I hope you guys safe, and I will bring your time so I can pray. I hope your house doesn't get destroyed. Mine has not house. It's just a long thing. I can't explain what my house looks like, but okay guys, I'll be joining the video. Subscribe and like the video if you don't want to get hurt from the hurricane. And guys, remember, be careful from the hurricane, and peace.